What if friends put some marble boy inside the shutter blade? Now I am leaving the pencil on by on inside the shutter blade. I left a plastic pistol inside the shutter blade. The plastic guitar broke completely as soon as it was dropped inside the shutter blade. Now I put some vegetable inside the shutter blade. I left a Coca-Cola bottle with some magic ball and left them on top of the shutter blade.
Everything you know is in your mind.
I put a lot of gas light together and left them on top of the shutter blade. I left different colored colors on the shutter blade. I left a very beautiful doll on top of the shutter blade.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The sharp blade cut the file as soon as the plastic file were placed on top of the shutter blade. I put a glass of glass on the shutter blade. I put a plastic toy on top of the shutter blade. The doll fell to pieces as soon as it came in contact with the sharp blades.
Are you all my personal dreams?
This time I put a plastic helmet on top of the shutter blades. I left the bubble wrap bag inside the shutter blade. The spray exploded as soon as the spray was placed on top of the shutter blade. I put a computer motherboard inside the shutter blade. Don't be afraid, I did them with plastic snake shutter blade.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I put a plastic truck on top of the shutter blade. I put 2 cucumbers inside the shutter blade.